Assalamu alaikum and hi. Adding a table of content is one of the most daunting tasks for a newbie, especially for those who are new to MS Word. Although MS Word has a very good uh, setup to automatically generate table of content, and you don't actually need to note the page numbers and write it somewhere else, and then make a table of content uh, for the for your document. So I will demonstrate how to do it in an easy way. You can see in this is a sample document, and I would like to generate a table of content for this. uh, you can assume these headings as chapter names, and then these as subheadings or the section names. So first thing you have to do to make a table of content is to make sure that your document is structured. Structuring document means your document should have some headings or subheadings, or it should have some chapters and sections, and the most importantly, it should be written in such a way that MS Word should recognize the structure of your documents. So apparently this document has a structure, but this does not recognize this is not done in a way that MS Word recognize it. So you can see these headings are just given by making it bold, but you can see the style. If you are not familiar with style is something is set of font, color, and some other properties together make a style. So there are many built-in style in MS Word, and all you need to do is to make your document structure is to apply all the chapter names or the main heading as heading 1 style. You can find it easily in your style. If it is not readily visible, you can just click on uh, this down arrow, and then you can see the heading 1 or heading 2 style. So the next thing is that apply heading 1 style to all your chapter names, and apply heading 2 style to all your subheadings or the section names. So now I will apply the style to all chapter names. Another very useful thing if you're working with a Word document with many pages is to make use of navigation pane. You can view the navigation pane on the view tab, and then click on navigation pane, and then you can easily see the structure of your document. You can see the name of chapter is here, and you can also see the name of the sections. So you can go and move and jump onto any section of your document just by clicking on the head. Now you can see me repeating the same steps for all the chapter and section headings in a fast forward mode. Most important, so now your document is structured. The second important thing is to apply the is to make sure that you have the page numbers on your document. So as you can see, currently this document does not have a page number. So if there is no special instruction about the provision of page numbers, the most appropriate place for applying for generating the page number is at the bottom of page. So you can apply the page numbers at the bottom of your pages in the center. So yeah, now your document is page numbered. And another something unwanted you can see is that there is also a page number on your first page, and normally the first page is the title page, and normally it is not desirable to have a page number on your title page. So this can be removed by two steps. The first step is that double click on the page number, and then you will see this design tab, and just click on different first page. Okay, and this will remove the page numbers on your first page, I mean the title page. Page number 1 is still linked to the first page, so this is the reason that you will see the next page after the title page, you will see the number 2. So if you want to make this one is page 1, then you have to double click on it, right click, format page numbers, start at 0. So now 0 is assigned to the page 1. So 0 is assigned to the title page, and the next page just after the title page will show the page number 1, as you can see in this document. Okay, now you have your document structured and your page numbers provided. Now if I want to generate a table of content just after the abstract, I can do it. Click on just after the abstract, insert a page break. Yeah, this is the place where I want to have my document table of content, and go to the references and references tab, table of content, and there are 2 or 3 page automatic table of content style. So I would prefer the style 2, in which it is written as table of content, and you can see the whole table of content and everything, and every heading and subheading, or you can say name of chapters and the section are given. One last thing, if for example you want your headings or the chapter numbers numbered, this can be easily done by applying and the heading style list, this one. So now you can see all of your headings have number, chapter numbers are assigned here, and the subheadings are assigned as subheadings. Maybe if you don't want your abstract to have a number, you can just place your cursor here and the backspace, and now your abstract will not have numbered, but all other chapters will have numbered. And you can have this change to appear in your table of content by right clicking on it, update field, update entire table, and OK.